Hello students, today I am going to explain you lesson number 6, Introduction to Scratch. So you have to open your book, okay, then you will understand this chapter very well. Now see, in this chapter what is given? First it is given about Scratch. Okay, now what is Scratch? This is given about Scratch. Now what is Scratch? Scratch, you know, it is a computer language. Okay, it is a type of computer language, because this computer does not understand Hindi or English language. So for this, one language is there, that is Scratch. So in this chapter you will learn about Scratch. Now see page number 61. Now I am going to tell you how to start Scratch. For starting this Scratch, what you have to do, you have to go to your start button. Okay, here you have to search Scratch in all programs. You will go to all programs, and here you will search Scratch. Like Scratch is here. If you are having in your computer, it will be shown. So double click on this. Okay, this will open Scratch on your computer. Okay, after opening Scratch, what you will do? Now see the window which you will get on your computer, that is Scratch. Okay, now Scratch is loading, it is opening. Now see, this Scratch will be opened. As you can see on page number 61, this figure 6.2. Okay, this 6.2 figure you can see on page number 62 in your book. Okay, 61 in your book. So same screen you can see here also on this computer. Okay, this is the screen of Scratch. Now see, now I am going to tell you what are the parts of Scratch. You can see in your book some parts are given. First one is sprite. What is sprite? This cat, which you can see on the Scratch. This is the sprite. Okay, this is by default it is cat. You can change this also, but when you will open Scratch, always you will get this cat. Okay, so this is one. This is called sprite. And this area where this sprite lives, this white area you can see, this is called stage. Okay, the white area where this sprite lives, that is your stage. Now on page number 62, next one is given block palette. Now what is this block palette? Here you can see these are blocks. Okay, different blocks are given. Okay, this blue color you can see, this is your block palette. Okay, what you have to do, you have to use this block. On this block only your sprite will work. Now what is this script? Like when we move this block here, okay, like we have moved two blocks here. Okay, when we move this block here in this area, okay, this is called script. This is called script. When we move the blocks from block palette here, this is called script, and this area is called your script area. Okay, this area where we move this block, like I am moving this block from this position to this position, so this area is called script area, and this area is your stage, and this is your block palette, and this blue color what you can see, these are blocks. Okay, now I am removing this block. Now you can see in your book. Okay, I am going to tell you what is given in your book. Now see, next one is given on page number 62, moving a sprite. Moving a sprite means how will you move this cat. Okay, now see, for moving this cat, this first block is your motion block. You will click on this motion block, and then you will choose this block, move 10 steps. See, I have chosen this block, move 10 steps. And then you click on this. See, your sprite will move 10 steps. See, you can see your sprite is moving. Okay, when I am clicking on the block, it is moving like this. Okay, so this, in this way you can move your sprite. This is known as move block. What you have to do, simply you have to click here. Okay, this block, what you have to do, simply you click here and drag it here with the mouse. And after that you execute. Either you can click on this flag. Okay, or you click on the block, this will automatically execute, and see, sprite will move. Okay, next is your turn 15 degrees block. Okay, now see, when I will use this block, turn 15 degree, see. Okay, and when I will click, see, your sprite will turn like this. Okay, this I have chosen this one, turn this side, so that's why it is turning like this. Okay, if I choose this one, okay, then it will turn in another direction. See, like this, now it is turning. Okay, so two turn blocks are there. One is this one, this arrow will turn this side. Okay, and this one will turn the sprite this side. Okay, so these are move block. Move block will move your sprite, okay, in the direction which you want, and turn block will turn your sprite. Okay, so all have understood this much? Okay. Now see next one that is given in your book. Next topic. Next topic is page number 64, that is drawing a colorful circle. Now how will you draw a circle? Means this sprite will move and it will draw line also. Now I will tell you how to draw circle. Now for drawing circle I have to give one pen to this sprite. Now what I will do, you will take pen block. Okay, one pen block you will get. You will click on this pen block and here you will get one pen. Okay, first I will go to motion block. I will take this move 10 steps. So this will move the sprite 10 steps, then it will draw one line. Okay, now see, move 10 steps I have taken. Now go to pen block. Okay, in this you have to choose pen down. Pen down you will choose. Okay, and see, when you will click on this, see, you can see the sprite is moving and it is drawing one line also. Why? Because now you have given one pen to this. Okay, this is pen down. Now what I will do, I will tell you how to draw one circle. Okay, for drawing one circle, what you will do, suppose your sprite is here. Okay, for that you will choose this move 10 steps block and next one turn 15 degrees block. Okay, this will move 10 steps, then it will turn your circle. Okay, and then pen down, this will give one pen to the this sprite. Okay, and pen color also, if you want to change pen color, you can set pen color also from here. Change pen color. Pen size if you want to set, like here 1. Okay, 1 value means it is thinner. Now I am giving here 3. Okay, so this pen will become thicker. Okay, this makes the pen thinner or thicker. See, what this will do, this will, you can see, this will moving the sprite 10 steps and turning the sprite also, and then pen I have given, that's why it is, wherever it is moving it is drawing lines also, like this circle. So now you can see one circle is drawn. Okay, like you can see in your book also, page 64. So like this you can also draw circle in Scratch. Okay, now with erase all button I can erase also. Okay, now I will delete these blocks. Now next one I will tell you. Next one that is given in your book. Now see, so first let me turn the sprite in proper position. Okay, now see next one, that is making a duplicate copy of sprite. Okay, now you can see on page number 64, next one is given making duplicate. Okay, means duplicate means one sprite is there, same copy you want to make. Duplicate means same copy. Okay, so for that what you have to do, you have to go to stamp block. Okay, now see, first you will take one stamp block. Okay, stamp block will make duplicate of this. So go to pen block. In pen block you will get this stamp block. So you will choose this stamp block from there. Okay, then after that move for moving the sprite, you will take this move 10 steps block. Okay, here I am changing the value, in place of 10 I am taking 50. Okay, so this will make move the sprite 50 steps forward. And you can choose pen down block also if you want to draw line while moving. Okay, so I am choosing pen down. You can see in your book this 6.6 figure. Okay, change color also, change pen color block also I am choosing. So this will change the color also. And pen size also I am setting. Okay, like here 1 is given, I am setting the value 20. Okay, because in your book 20 is given. Okay, after that if on edge block. Okay, so this block, if on edge block, you will get in motion block. Okay, this block is used. Okay, so what you will do, if on edge bounce means when this sprite will touch the edge, then only it will come back. Edge means this corners. Okay, this area where this area is finished, this is the edge. Okay, so when this sprite will touch the edge, then it will come back. So now see, you can see in your book, this on the laptop. Okay, see, this sprite is moving, and when it touches the edge, this area, it comes back, it turns back. Okay, see. Okay, and see, it is making duplicate also. So like this you can do. Okay, this is the work of stamp block. Now see on page number 65, this is given saving a Scratch project. For saving, it's very simple. You will go to file button. Okay, here you will get file button, and here save option, save to your computer. Click on this. Okay, and you have to write one name also, project name. You can write any name, like project 1 you can write, or any name, whatever you want to write. Okay, like this, and click on this save button. Okay, so your project will be saved in the computer. This will save your project in the computer. You can open also your saved project. Okay, for this also you will click here file tab, and you will get load from your computer, this option, and wherever you have saved your project, you can search your project and click on open button, and this will open your project also, which project you have already saved. Okay, so this much is given in your chapter. So read the chapter, then watch this video, then you will understand it more clearly. And thank you, class.